In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your Shopify store is live. If you're a new Shopify user or just setting up your store, ensuring that your launch has gone smoothly is key. So, let's break it down easily and comprehensively. First, let's start by accessing your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, a good starting point is to pay attention to the top section of your dashboard. This area usually provides clear, up-to-date information about the status of your store. If your store is live, you'll typically see a notification or indicator confirming that your online storefront is up and running. Next, let's check your email inbox for the confirmation email from Shopify. This email is sent out after your store goes live and includes important information, letting you know that your site is now available to customers visiting your URL. Another way to verify your store's status is by simply opening a web browser and typing in your Shopify store URL. If the store is live, you should see your homepage just as it will appear to customers. Make sure everything is loading correctly, from images to product descriptions, and that the user experience is seamless. It's also important to perform a test purchase. This means adding a product to your cart, proceeding to checkout, and going through the payment process just as a customer would. You don't need to complete the payment, just ensure that all steps are working until the payment stage. This helps confirm that your site's e-commerce functionality is operational. Additionally, check your Shopify settings to ensure that your payment methods and shipping settings are correctly configured. This ensures that once your store is live, customers can complete transactions smoothly. If you have customized your domain name, make sure it's connected properly. Head to the Domains section in your Shopify admin and ensure that your domain status reads as connected. This confirms your custom domain points to your Shopify store correctly. Finally, it's helpful to use tools like Google's mobile-friendly test and speed test tools. These tools provide insights into your store's performance on mobile devices and your site's loading speed, respectively, both of which are crucial for a smooth customer experience. In conclusion, ensuring that your Shopify store is live requires a few simple checks. By following the steps outlined above, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your business is ready to welcome customers and process sales. Remember, attention to detail at this stage will help prevent future headaches and ensure your store's success right from the start. Be sure to frequently monitor your store's performance and seek ongoing improvements to enhance your customers' experience. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember to subscribe for more tips to optimize your Shopify journey. Thank you for watching.